On a calm Friday evening in the spring of 2019, with the windows open, I heard a strange sound. I looked out the window and yelled for Laurie to run. A tree was falling, but it was too late. A large water oak on the property line between us and our neighbor decided to commit suicide on that beautiful spring day. It fell on our property, but luckily it did no real damage other than exploding and creating a huge debris field in our front yard. I cut that thing up with my trusty chainsaw and hauled it away, but it was a lot of work. That suicide tree damaged some other trees in our front yard and they needed to come down. We hired a tree company to cut down the damaged trees, but I wanted to clean up the wood myself to save some money. Laurie worked for John Deere for many years and she bleeds John Deere green. We had checked out a John Deere subcompact utility tractor at the North Carolina State Fair the previous year. It was an easy decision to acquire a John Deere 1025R tractor with attachments to make an easier job of cleaning up the other trees and, quote, do other projects around the house, unquote. My 60th birthday was approaching and I now had a tractor, so I decided to create a water slide in our yard for my birthday. Later I would till and reseed the front yard with our new tractor and attachments. It was a great plan.
Lumber! Kaflooey!
I did it! Ah! Ah! Oh, shit! Oh, yeah!
We're gonna have to give her a shove.
Yeah, we are. Oh no. Oh no.
It's gonna be bad. Oh, this is gonna be bad. This is gonna be bad. Oh, she has got the hang of it now.
Splash down here with all this water.
Trying to slow herself down. We kept digging.